We are located at Westwood, Kansas. This is the Shirley Styles exhibitor wall. My name is Jill Sullivan, and I am here to give you a vision of my works. If you notice, I have a range of flowers from your everyday zinnia with a lovely monarch butterfly on it to very exotic irises. This came from a bush that was blooming, and I call it light and dark. This is a rose of Sharon blooming along Blender. This is a yellow space ager iris I call alley cat tails. This is a Japanese iris. If you were there the day I took this picture, you could have been standing at the end of Blender Court and see this clearly from the street.